What are constellations? A constellation is a group of stars that appear to form a pattern or a picture like Orion the Great Hunter, Leo the Lion, or Taurus the Bull. Constellations are easily recognizable patterns that help people orient themselves using the night sky. There are 88 official constellations. Why are constellations important? They are useful when locating certain stars. They are used for navigation, understanding the seasons, and telling stories, serving as a kind of celestial calendar and a way to organize and make sense of the night sky. What are the historical and cultural significance of constellations? Historically, constellations serve many purposes. As a calendar, especially for agricultural purposes, as the appearance of certain constellations indicate the season or the time of year. As a way of navigation, especially for seafaring people. In some cases, the constellation may have some ceremonial or religious significance. Seasonal constellations. There are a group of stars that are visible in the night sky during specific seasons. And in the northern hemisphere, examples include Cygnus, Lyra, and Aquila in summer, Cassiopeia, Pegasus, and Andromeda in the autumn, Orion, Canis Major, and Taurus in the winter, and Leo, Virgo, and Ursa Major in spring. Now, major constellation. Some of the major and easily recognizable constellations include Ursa Major, containing the Big Dipper, Cassiopeia, and Orion. Ursa Major, the Great Bear, easily recognizable by its prominent asterism, the Big Dipper, which is a key point of reference for finding other constellations. Cassiopeia, the Queen, known as the W constellation, formed by the pattern of its 5 brightest stars located opposite the Big Dipper. Orion, the Hunter, features bright stars like Rigel and Betelgeuse and is a helpful constellation for finding Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. Now, the zodiac. The 12 constellations of the zodiac are Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces, which are the constellations that the sun appears to pass through during its annual journey across the sky. Here are more detailed look at each of the constellations. Aries, the Ram. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac, representing the ram from Greek mythology. Taurus, the bull. Taurus is the second sign, often associated with the bull that Zeus transformed into to abduct Europa. Gemini, the twins. Gemini represents the twins Castor and Pollux in Greek mythology. Cancer, the crab. Cancer is a faint constellation, often overlooked in the night sky due to its lack of bright stars, representing the crab that Hercules crushed underfoot during his fight with the Hydra in Greek mythology. Leo, the lion, is a prominent constellation representing the Nemean lion, which was killed by Hercules as part of his labors. Virgo, the maiden. Virgo is associated with Demeter, the god of the earth and harvest, or her daughter Persephone, depending on the account. Libra, the scales. Libra is the only sign of the zodiac to represent a non-living object, the scales of justice. Scorpio, the scorpion, is associated with the scorpion that stung Orion to death in Greek mythology. Sagittarius, the archer. Sagittarius is often depicted as a centaur, a mythical creature with the upper body of a man and the lower body of a horse, drawing a bow. Capricorn, the sea-goat. Capricorn represents a sea-goat, a mythical creature associated with the god Enki in Babylonian mythology, and later with the Greek deity Pan. Aquarius, the water-bearer. Aquarius is associated with the water-bearer, a figure who pours water from a pitcher. Pisces, the fish. Pisces represents the fish, associated with the myth of Aphrodite and Eros.